Open Zepp application. Tap Profile. Tap Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Tap Store. Search for photo dial watch face. There are 4 selections of photo dial. The difference is only the clock position. For example, I choose this. Tap on plus sign to change the photo. You can use camera or use save picture. Choose a picture. You can adjust the picture position, zoom in, zoom out, etc. Tap select when you're done. You can change the clock text color. For more color selection, tap this color wheel. Tap the sync button. Choose one watch face to overwrite. Tap Confirm Overwriting. Then just wait the watch face installation. Thanks for watching.